The benefits and drawbacks of concrete flooring for your house. Dear friends, concrete has been used as a flooring material for many years, but most people consider it suitable only for industrial environments. The dull gray paving stones or blocks are commonly seen in outdoor spaces or on the floors of car parks and garages in commercial buildings and shopping malls. But concrete is now also a viable material in home interiors, where it can be polished, etched, or stained to serve as the finishing flooring surfaces. Whether you're considering a sleek, polished finish or a more industrial look, it's crucial to understand the benefits of concrete flooring and its drawbacks before deciding. That's why we've created this comprehensive review of concrete flooring. We'll break down the pros and cons to help you decide if this option is right for your space. Advantages of concrete floors. Concrete floors are durable. The material is extremely resilient and can withstand almost anything, whether it's heavy furniture, high temperature, or the risk of scratches on its surface from pointed heels or pets' claws. Using polished concrete floors inside a house guarantees peace of mind as it will last for years with very little maintenance. Concrete floors are low maintenance. The same properties that make concrete floors so durable also make them easy to care for. Properly sealed concrete floors shrug off dirt, grit, stains, spills, and hard impacts. A little sweeping and damp mopping is all that's required to keep them looking like new. Concrete floors have beautiful design options. Modern techniques for concrete finishing have moved concrete floors from ho-hum to luxurious. Dyes added as the wet concrete is being mixed produce concrete in a huge range of earthy colors. Surface treatments such as acid stains, concrete stains, and paint made for concrete floors turn plain concrete into beautiful, one-of-a-kind finishes. Also, concrete can be stamped with rubber stencils to give it texture. Combined with the right dyes or coloring agents, finished concrete can be made to mimic ceramic tile, natural stone, brick, and even dirt. Concrete and heated floors. For new construction or for concrete poured over an existing slab, you have the option to add radiant heat, electrical cables or hot water tubes embedded in the concrete to create warm, comfy floors. Disadvantages of concrete floors. Concrete floors are hard. There's no denying that concrete is hard underfoot, a quality that some find uncomfortable. It's also unforgiving. A dropped glass definitely won't survive, and it may be a concern if there are small children or elderly folks in the household. Concrete floors can collect moisture. In below-grade basements, moisture migrating up from underneath the slab may make concrete unacceptably damp and damage any surface treatments, such as paint. Concrete floors can crack. Like it or not, even expertly installed concrete may develop cracks over time. That's because the large expanse of a slab has to endure changes in temperature, moisture, and settling. Concrete floors are environmentally suspect. While concrete itself is an inert, biodegradable material, the process of making cement requires a lot of energy and produces carbon dioxide. Compared to other building materials such as steel, wood, and glass, concrete has by far the most embodied energy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.